Well, not the best day. My boy Lloyd here, we're friends now. He's giving me the lift. There's the Corvette. What a day. What a day.
It's been a day, man.
It's been a day.
To be continued.
Yo, for sure. Yo, I think we're gonna get patched up. I think the wheel's still good. So hopefully minimum damage. But we won't know until we take a look underneath.
Everything's temporary.
Everything's temporary. Oh boy. Just to give you guys a better look at how bad this tire absolutely shredded. Zoom out. Oof. Ugh. My goodness. Yeah. Well, here it is. New tire. Corvette's on the road again. Did take a little fiberglass damage though. But, you know what? Chicks dig battle scars. Hopefully we can fix it. Anyway, let's get a suck. Don't give up. That's gonna do it for today's episode, guys. If you want to support the channel, like, subscribe, hit up RobbieSuckStore.com, and I'll see you next time. Peace.